Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea and coffee. We'll cover the essential techniques for brewing these popular drinks, ensuring you achieve a delicious result every time. Understanding the right water temperature and ingredient ratios is key to unlocking their full flavor potential. Get ready to elevate your home brewing skills and enjoy perfectly crafted beverages. For a great cup of coffee, always start with fresh, cold water and grind your beans right before brewing. Heat the water to between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal extraction. A good starting point is 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for every 6 ounces of water. Brew for approximately 4 to 5 minutes to achieve a rich, full-bodied flavor. Crafting a delicious cup of tea begins with fresh, filtered water. Heat the water to the temperature recommended for your specific tea type. For example, green tea needs cooler water than black tea. A general guideline is 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea per 8 ounces of water. Steep for 2 to 5 minutes, adjusting for desired strength and flavor profile. While both are beloved beverages, coffee generally requires hotter water and a slightly longer brewing process than tea. Tea, on the other hand, offers a broader spectrum of steeping temperatures and times, depending on the leaf type. Both provide unique and delightful aromatic experiences. Don't hesitate to experiment with various beans and leaves to discover your perfect daily ritual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.